This place looks fun, but behind the mask, we're all stressed and overworked.
Everyone at your office is wearing a mask. Your boss, who seems so supportive, your colleague who acts so friendly, even the company that promises a happy culture. But what's really going on behind the mask? Stay with me because in the next 3 minutes you will learn one of the most powerful advanced English vocabulary phrases that professionals use to sound more insightful and intelligent. Hello professionals and welcome back to Pro-Infused English. I am Bhomik and my mission is to help you master the business English you need for your career growth. Today we are learning the idiom behind the mask. By the end of this short video, you will know its real meaning in Bangla, exactly when and how to use it professionally, and I will give you example sentences you can use in your job interview or at the office tomorrow. This is a key piece of spoken English in Bangla that will take your communication to the next level. So what does behind the mask actually mean? Literally, it means behind a physical mask, like a surgical mask. But in professional English, we use it figuratively. It means someone's true feelings, character, or intentions that are hidden behind a false or misleading appearance. In simple Bangla, এর মানে হলো মুখোশের আড়ালে বা আরো সহজ করে বললে আসল রূপ বা আসল উদ্দেশ্য. When someone appears one way on the outside but is completely different on the inside, that hidden reality is what's behind the mask. Now, how do you use it in a sentence? The structure is very simple. Person seems or looks or appears, adjective 1, but behind the mask they are actually adjective 2, but reality it's all about showing that contrast, the difference between what you see and what is real. This is a very powerful tool in corporate communication. Okay, let's look at some real world example you can use for your office or chakri English practice. He always appears calm and supportive in team meetings, but behind the mask he is incredibly competitive and ambitious. সে মিটিংয়ে সবসময় শান্ত এবং সাপোর্টিভ ভাব দেখায়, কিন্তু মুখোশের আড়ালে সে আসলে প্রচণ্ড প্রতিযোগী এবং উচ্চাকাঙ্ক্ষী. See, you are showing a deeper understanding of the person. The candidate looked very confident during the interview, but behind the mask, I think she was quite nervous. ইন্টারভিউর সময় প্রার্থীকে খুব আত্মবিশ্বাসী মনে হচ্ছিল, কিন্তু আমার মনে হয় মুখোশের আড়ালে সে বেশ নার্ভাস ছিল.
She looked so confident, but behind the mask, she was nervous.
This shows you have strong observation skills. The company promotes an image of being a fun place to work, but behind the mask, the employees are overworked and stressed.
This place looks fun, but behind the mask, we're all stressed and overworked.
কোম্পানিটি নিজেদেরকে কাজ করার জন্য একটি মজার জায়গা হিসেবে প্রচার করে, কিন্তু আসল সত্য হলো কর্মীরা অতিরিক্ত কাজ করে এবং চাপে থাকে. This is a very advanced and critical way to use the phrase. Now you know exactly how to use behind the mask to sound smarter and more perceptive. Now it's your turn to practice. This is how you will truly learn. In the comments below, write your own sentence using behind the mask. It can be about anything. I will read every single comment and give you feedback. If these advanced English phrases helped you, please give this video a like. It tells YouTube to share this knowledge with more amazing professionals like you. And of course, subscribe to Pro-Infused English and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson that can help you in your career. Want to learn another powerful phrase? Check out my video on reading between the lines right here. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.